Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from HTC device to HTC Desire 21 Pro 5G. First of all, you need to go into Play Store on both devices and type Send Anywhere. Then download this app from this developer. Now open it. Click I accept, choose confirm, continue and allow. You need to go with receive on HTC Desire 21 Pro and send on this HTC device. Then tap on all of these dots and tap send to send all of your files. But I don't want to do that because it will take some time, so I will go with this one photo. Sorry. Tap send and click got it. From here there are two ways to connect. You can either input this password or scan QR code. If you wish to scan the code, tap on this scanning icon on 21 Pro. Then choose allow and point your camera at the code. As you can see, my file was successfully transferred. But if you want to check it out for sure, you can always find app files over here. Choose browse and tap on, in my case, images. As you can see, Send Anywhere folder is over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!